Jordan's preparing, get this motor in, getting his motor mounts on. Euro trash mobile, the culprit, super loose. So, get a new one in the box. We'll put that on, put some rotors on this thing, and get this junk in. And maybe start to get the motor in the RX-8 today. But for 8 o'clock in the morning, he showed up at noon.
I was up at 8.
Yeah. Keep telling yourself that. Pressure washer, transmission, so you can get it in. This thing's almost ready to go. While he's doing that, I'm going to start cleaning this. Well, I already started. That's all the shit out of it. Wish me luck. Yuck. Well, I got it mostly vacuumed out and cleaned. Got the carpet over here. Pressure wash the shit out of it. Get the can of virus out of it so I don't have to die. That's a little bit better. Drying. Jordan fucked us with the wrong torque converter. So now he's off to his house to try to find a different torque converter. So close, but so far away. And the Aero Trash Mobile, it's got new brakes on it, new ball joint. Still does the bounce across the road. I'll have to figure that out. Well, until he gets back, I may start cleaning the inside of this thing out. It's nasty, mildew, all that good shit. Yeah. Always something. The mishaps of the torque converter. We got the right torque converter. So, as you can see, there's a 360 Magnum going in it for right now. Hemi's on the back of the truck until we figure out what we're going to do with the cam and all that good stuff. But we're going to at least try and get it going. He's getting the torque converter bolts in now. Then we're going to wrestle this thing in the car. Hopefully. This ought to be a fight like it was with the Pontiac. We're moving right along. Yes, we are going fuel injected. That's why we have this intake on. But I got the trunk mostly cleaned out for him. We'll patch that hole, throw some paint on it. Well, we don't even need to worry about that right now. We're just gonna go down the road. Well, it got dark fast, but it's in the engine bay. After fighting it a little bit. So, I guess we're pretty much done for the night. And we'll get back to it sometime during the week.